Vending machines. Let's go. I'm gonna try this one. Right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We'll just try this one. Okay. This cafe, or Excelsior Cafe, has got my interest. So let's press that one. Oh, hey, we're here. Let's go check out 7-Eleven Tokyo. And then bento boxes. Nice. That's a machine here. Okay, very nice. So I can see the arrow moving, heading towards number 16 right there. Vending machines. Let's go. Oh, check this out. It's a cool little Japanese house. Wow, look at this. Very beautiful. It's like a prayer shrine. People waiting in line to pray. Here's the standard Japanese archway denoting the significance of a temple or some sort of shrine. And we got 7-Eleven and vending machines over there. So let's go make a way over to the vending machines. And right here is this temple so you can see it. Oh, vending machine, vending machine. Alright, let me go over here. I think I'm gonna try this one first. Let's make our way over to the crosswalk. Let's try vending machine number 1. Get the traffic signals. The walking man. Okay. Let's see what's on this vending machine. Okay, Georgia coffee. I don't know what's what here. 120 yen. Green teas on the top. Cafe Excelsior. Okay. Alright, which one are we going to try first? Georgia coffee. So, let's give a whirl and try a couple of these right here. So let me get my money out. So, okay, let's put 100 yen in. There it is, 100. And then these are 10. I'm holding the camera and my money at the same time. 120. Okay, we got 120 yen. And as I put the money, they're lighting up. So, we got Georgia. I'm gonna try this one. Right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We'll just try this one. Okay. We got a Georgia coffee right here. Oh yeah, this is warm. Oh yeah. So let's give a try on this. I open it up here. Okay, I got a Georgia coffee here. This one's warm. Let's give this one. Black coffee. Maybe there's a little bit. I can't tell. It's a light black coffee. Oh, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, Georgia coffee, 1975. I can't read anything on the label, but here it is, the brown one. It's black. So let's try the next one. This cafe, or Excelsior Cafe, has got my interest. So let's press that one. Okay. This time it's a cold one. So let's open it up and give this one a try. Excelsior Cafe with 2 F's. It's like a chocolate milk. It's a cold one this time. So let's give it a try. It does say cafe au lait, so I'm hoping it's like my cafe au lait I remember. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is, folks. It's a coffee, light coffee taste, chocolate milk taste in one. To me, I mean, it maybe no chocolate in it, but it's milk, sugar, and coffee. Very smooth, milky, creamy taste. Oh yeah, I used to drink this when I was spearfishing at night. I'd stop and get me a bottle of Cafe au lait, a different brand. So Excelsior Cafe. Let's try another one. Well, hey, we're here. Let's go check out 7-Eleven Tokyo. Yeah. These are energy drinks, it looks like. Magazines. If you didn't know, the Japanese magazines read backwards compared to what we're used to. I just remember that fun fact. So here's some various. There's ice in a cup. Ice in a cup. Drinks. Oh, nice. Milk tea, Pocari Sweat. Coca-Cola Zero. Oh, there's even Starbucks coffee there. I used to drink Aquarius and Pocari Sweat when I was in Japan a long time ago. It's still here. Here's all their beers, their milk products, teas, smoothies, juice. These up here look like Yakult, which is like a probiotic milk drink. So, very nice. Ice cream. I always had fun ice creams. Look at the whole ice cream in a container there. I remember those. Some of these you folks recognize. Here's ice cream in a squeeze. You squeeze that out. I remember those too. But there's a lot of cool, fun things to try there. Here's your noodle dishes you can heat up. And the bento boxes. Oh yeah, there's sandwiches and then bento boxes. Nice. These soup. Now this ain't ramen right here. This stuff's the real McCoy. Even 7-Eleven, that's gonna be stellar taste. If you put water in those, heat up and follow the instructions, it's really, really good. There's some crab right there. Noodles, vegetables. See how they sell the vegetables? So you buy them in small portions already cut up. Here's your meat, chicken, smoked chicken, different flavor chicken, your meat, your V8s, your wines, some of your mixed drinks back here. Oh, nice. Look at all them desserts. What is that? Boy, that looks... These are all sweets. I can tell they're sweets. Coffees, pastries, breads. Look at this. Look at this. Pork bun. That's Chopao, guys. That's Chopao. What the heck? You can see it. That's Chopao. fried dishes and stuff. Pretty good. And they got their standard chocolates and noodles. You can get dry noodles. Heat them up. Bottled water, gin. I don't know what that may be water. No, I don't know. Maybe that might be alcohol. That's a big old bottle. It's plastic. Maybe it is water. Special water. Of course, the nuts. All the various noodles. Talking to hot latte. Ooh, look at that one. Georgia hot latte. Black coffee. Drinks. So there you go, folks. 7-Eleven Tokyo. A brief look. Yeah. I see another machine over here. Check this out. Coca-Cola machine. And it has the same stuff. What? Okay. I don't want a Coke. The Georgia Latte, 180. Emerald blend coffee, the drip espresso. Let me grab something in 7-Eleven. I think 7-Eleven's gonna be the ticket. You know, this has got my... I'm questioning that. Let me see. Is that hot? Yeah, these are warm. So I'm gonna grab a hot latte, a Georgia hot latte. Let's try that. Okay, I got some machine here. Okay, very nice. Okay. Okay, that was fun. Thank you, thank you. Oh, they had 1 yen left. Okay. So I wanted to try some more drinks here. So let's go try this one outside. It is nice and cool out here today. So I'm gonna cross and head on back this way. Let's give it a whirl. Let me shake it up. I'm gonna shake up my Georgia Hot the Latte. Georgia Hot the Latte. They had this in the vending machine, but I seen it here in 7-Eleven for a little bit cheaper, so I just went ahead and got it in 7-Eleven. I'm trying to open it without spilling it. Okay. Okay, careful. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Another Georgia. I just remember Georgia. Georgia is a product of Coca-Cola Company, I do recall. So let's work our way back towards the house here. Oh man, is that good. Wow. I mean, it's a sugar coffee with creamer and stuff in there, but it is wonderful. They didn't have this kind of drink when I was in Japan before. So very, very nice tasting drink. Wow. Very good. Well, I think I'm going to go into that candy shop and try a few pieces of those candy. It was quite interesting, so let's go. I get you guys a good view of this. I wanted to get it without anybody in view. But multiple people are stopping and praying here. Very beautiful. It has the guard dogs of a sort. Very beautiful. Let's continue on. Oh, I did want to show over here. These papers, I think, are prayers. Same with this right here. I think these are prayers. And look at the beautiful trees. Can you see the flower buds? That's so nice. We have take note. I mean, look at the flower buds. We have a pink bud. It's so cold, but yet these are blooming. And over here, we have a white budding flower. Check that out. That's just gorgeous. So beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Look at those lights. Lantern style. And here's the archway again. Working our way back to the train station. Kid playground over there. I can feel the temperature cooling down some more. So I did want to come back in here and try. I wanted to try some of these. This is for my niece Keisha. I don't know what this is. These candies are here, so we're gonna try them. They look like they're 40 yen piece. So let's try. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, alrighty. Yes. So we're gonna buy some of these candies right here. Okay. I'll wait till I get back to the airport and I'll finish drinking my coffee and I'll try these snacks. But I'm gonna work my way back to the airport this time and do a quick change on the battery. I found my way back to the Keiku Kamato station. So Keiku line. I gotta find which train to take back to Haneda Airport Terminal 3. I'm back up on the third platform. Gotta figure out which one to use. Okay. I think these all go to Haneda. I think I'm on the right train now. I'll show you guys this marker up here. It turns around. Chinese. Haneda Terminal 3. So stop 16. So let's continue to rock. So I can see the arrow moving, heading towards number 16 right there. We're on our way. Check it out. This is bound for Haneda Airport. We will soon arrive at Kojiya KK12. The doors on the left side will open. Please be careful of the train doors. We're heading the right way. I'm always quiet here. There's not too many people talk on Japanese trains. There it is, next stop. This is us. The doors on the left side will open. So this side, it kind of tells us which doors are open. So let's work our way out. Oh, here's the door. Alright, here's our stop. Here's our stop, guys. You see how long the train is. Okay. right, let's work our way back into the airport. Now to come out, folks, you got to put this ticket in the machine. It's a free chair to all passengers. Find what gate I'm at. So there you go, ladies. There's some purses for you. Look at that. This is the good one right here. These are good. I've had these before, dipping in coffee. Oh yeah, these are cream filled ones there. Control sign and find out which restaurant you want. And those will be in all the concourses. There's actually T as in Tango, A, B, C, D, E, and F.